Here we'll see how to calculate beta. We have the weekly price for the S&P 500, and this can be downloaded from the Yahoo Finance. And we have the prices for Google for the same period, and we will calculate the return, which is the difference between the opening and the closing price, which is equal closing price divided by the opening price minus 1 to get the return. And then for the Google company, closing price divided by the opening minus 1, and then enter. Now we will select the return, shift control for the market return, and then control to select the market return, and then control shift down arrow. Then we will go to insert, chart. We'll insert scatter diagram, and then we will resize the diagram. We can move it, and then right click. We'll add a trend line or the line of the best fit. Then we have the line of the best fit, and then I will click display equation and display the R value on the chart. And then I can go and I need to change the color of the line and the size from 1.5. I will change it to 3.5 just to make it more clear. Now I have the equation for the straight line. Maybe size. So y is equal 0.9426x, and this the slope of the line. This is beta, which is 0.9426, and the r square is a correlation coefficient between the market return and the Google return. And I can also use the regression, so I can name the chart Google beta, and this is a linear programming. So I can also use regression analysis to calculate the beta, which is variance. I'll go to data analysis. Then I will select the regression analysis. Then y is a return of the company. Select the y, the return of the company. Enter. And then x is a return of the S&P 500 or the market. Then you can select if you want a new workbook or a new worksheet, or you can select to put it in this worksheet. You can select where you want to put it. I'll select yes to put it here in this area, and so enter. Now I have the X variable. I can increase the font to make it more clear and change the color to orange and make it bold. And this is beta, which is 9.9426, which is close to 1. That means the Google assets or shares move in line with the market. And it's the same result. And then the R square, which is the correlation coefficient between the market return and the Google return, which is 0.5344. And here is a 0.5344. Here is the calculation of the beta using the data, and the data and the prices can be weekly, daily, or monthly from Yahoo Finance or any other sources.